Hello students, I'm Ravi Shankar Rai, Assistant Professor in Hotel Management in the BBD University. Students, today we will discuss our front office topic, that is your, first is the subject code, that is your BHM 2603, and our subject is front office, and topic is, that is your meaning, importance, and types of security and role of front office and key control. Students, safety and security is a very important for the every organization and for the hotel also, because the main business and most of the business in hotel are depend on our guest. That's why the safety and security of every guest is very important for us. In this chapter, we will discuss about all these aspects of the security and the different points that is important for the safety and security of our guest and also for our staff. So students, let's start our topic, that is your meaning, importance, and types of safety and security, role of front office, and our different keys works in the hotels. I'm sharing a screen with you. From there, we will start. So students, you see here, topic is our, this is our subject code, and that is your BHM 2603, and topic is our meaning, importance, and types of safety and security, key control, and role of front office. So students, let's start. First of all, start with the meaning. The hotel can be defined as home away from home for the guests who come to the hotel, as they receive homely environment and services in the hotel. The guests who come to the hotel come with an understanding that they and their belongings would be safe and secure in the hotel during their occupancy in the hotel. The safety and security aspects play a vital role in the hospitality industry, as this industry is independent largely on the customer relationship with the hotel. If the guest encounters any security issues during their stay in the hotel, it leads to dissatisfaction of the guest, resulting in cognitive dissonance due to which the guest seeks other hotels, and their buying consumer behavior becomes variety seeking consumer behavior. On the other hand, if the guests face no security and safety issues during their stay in the hotel, it leads to guest satisfaction, resulting in importance of report and goodwill of the hotel in the society, thereby achieving its main objective of profit maximization and guest satisfaction. So after that, we will go to our next subheading, that is your importance. When we're talking about the importance of the safety and security in the hotels, we will talk, that is your the aim of safety and security measures followed by the hotel is to reduce the crime, terrorism, natural disaster, and from any man-made hazards. The hotel security covers various aspects like guest room locking, public area security, and security of the system. Yes, security of the system with equipments found in the hotel to maintain an effective safety and security plan. The front office department should have a regular and continuous coordination with the security department of the hotel, which results in pleasant stay of the guest exceeding the expectation, thereby fostering the customer relationship and the customer relationship management. A hotel always strive to maintain healthy and positive guest relations to improve their business and to generate maximum revenue every time, which is only possible if the guest has pleasant stay in the hotel without having any issues or complaints related to their stay in the hotel. So, the safety and the security measures adopted by the hotel should be efficient enough and updated so that the guest encounters minimum or no damage to themselves and their belongings in the case of even slightest safety issues. After that, students, after discussing the importance, we will go to our next subheading, that is your objectives of the safety and security. The first objective is your to find out the importance of safety and security measures used in the hotels and its impact on the CRM. To analyze the various safety and security measures performed in the hotel. To find out the various emergency situations in the hotels and their handling procedure. The last one is your to find out the relationship between safety and security measures and guest relations. After that, we will go to our next heading, that is your customer relationship management. in the students in the customer relationship management and why it is important for our hotel and our guest. Let's start. Customer relationship management. It can be defined in different ways. It also means different thing to different people depending on the working environment. It have been used in therefore as no single definition of customer relationship management. The CRM helps the hospitality firms to customize the products and services according to the customer's expectations, and return of which the perceived value gets improved. The perceived value is calculated with the perceived quality by customers, leading to enhancement of customer delight and satisfaction. The alignment of incentives and matrices, deployment of knowledge management systems, tracking customer defection and retention levels, and customer service satisfaction levels are other contributions of the CRM technology. The CRM is a strategy that can help them to build long lasting relationships with their customers and increase their profits through the right management system and the application of customer focused strategies. It is very correctly said that the hotel is home away from home for the guest. So the guest want to receive no or minimum dissatisfaction during their stay in the hotel. It is a vital duty of the management of the hotel to, to ensure that the guest receive no external or internal threats in the hotel, resulting in comfortable and pleasant stay for the guest. The hotel should use various type of security measures for the guest, especially female guests, as they are considered to be an easy target for the intruders. In the recent time, there have been many havoc incidents of the terrorism, firebomb explosion, and even vandalism in India, which has made the Indian hotel industry to be vigilant enough to face any sort of emergency situations. Beside that, the Indian hotel economy industry has started adopting security measures and even physical security measures like scanning and frisking to ensure no dissatisfaction for the guest during their length of stay in the hotels. After that, Next subheading is your hospitality industry and the CRM. The hospitality industry is a service sector which largely depend on the relationship of the hotels with its customers. This industry is mainly independent on relationship marketing. Many hospitality organizers have failed to understand what really the needs and requirements of the customers are, are which makes them fail to provide perfect service delivery. Many other hotels understand the needs and requirement of the customers but were unable to transform the expectation of the customers into their delight or satisfaction. The customer relationship management is a technique or a business strategy to select the most valuable customer relationship. In the hospitality industry, there are different type of guests broadly classified as business class and leisure, each of which have their different needs and requirements. The hospitality industry should try to maintain the loyalty and patronage of their customers to get the satisfaction and competitive advantage over, over hospitality providers in the market. The hospitality organizations should try to provide lucrative offers and packages to their repeat guests as well as first time guests to effectively maintain prosperous and foster relations with their customers. The hospitality organizers should even try to investigate the buying pattern and their post sales experience of the customers. If the service delivery process, that is your output, match or it's is above the expectation of the guest by then the guest becomes loyal for the hotel and even starts word of mouth marketing of the hotel in a positive sense. If the service delivery process does not match or it's below the expectation of the guests, it leads to customer disassurance and the customer seek for other available hotels in the market. The customer needs are ever changing and for that the The hospitality organizations should be geared up and ready all the times. To implement and adopt CRM in the hospitality organizations, it is important that all the levels of the level of management get involved into it, and it it should not be conformed to just one customer, but to all the customers who come and stay in the hotel. Maybe they are repeat or first time guests. So students, after that, we'll go to our next topic, that is your types of security. So students, in the hotel, there are basically three types of the security which are divided. The first one is your physical aspect of security. Second one is your security of the people, and it's also further divided into the staff and the guest. And third one is your security of systems and machineries. So let's start our first subheading, that is your physical aspects of security. The physical aspect of security mainly covers the internal and external security of the guest and the staff of the hotel. The internal security covers security issues against theft, proper lighting, fire safety, and even tracking the unwanted guests in the hotels. The external security aspects covers issues to minimize the incidents inside and outside the premises of the hotel. The external security measures used are proper manning of the security guards in the hotel, proper fencing of the pool area, and even the installation of CCTV cameras within the campus of the hotel. After that, we will go to the our next subheading, that is your security of the people. The security of the people encompasses security of hotel staff and the most important security of the guest. Out of these, the security of guest is of prime importance, and it can affect the affect the business and operations of the hotel. For security of staff members, like effective recruitment, selection, identification of the staff, checking previous records of the staff with previous employers, with previous employers, etc. should be adopted. For the security of the guest, there should be efficient guest room security, wide angle doors, viewer, night torches, chain or doors, etc. Even the staff, hotel staff should be briefed not to reveal any confidential or any sort of information of the in-house safety and security. So after that, we will go to our next subheading. This is your security of the systems. The security of the systems and machineries in hotels, they are very expensive equipment which are used during daily operations. All the record of missing or misplaced items should be made, and regular physical inventory should be done to break the to check the missing or misplaced items. The main system room should be locked always when not in use to avoid should be locked always when not in use to avoid the important information to be accessed by the unwanted people. So students, after this, we goes to our next subheading. This is your control of room keys. The hotel may use conventional hard key system or computerized door locking system for locking the guest room. The room keys of unoccupied rooms should be uh, placed in mall, sorry, placed in mail and key rack at the front desk. The room keys of occupied rooms should be with the guest while they are in the hotel, and uh, and in an event they are moving out of the hotel, the same should be deposited at the front desk and key and placed in the mail rack. The resident guest depositing the hotel keys are issued a key card The guest has to show the same at the time of receiving the keys back to establish it. The keys are handed over to the right guest. So students, you see here the key card and there's given the name, room number, date of arrival, date of departure. So different details are given in these sample key cards. This is the after the key cards. You're seeing here the sample card key. One side is there is both side of the key card is given here. Then the key control sheet. The key control sheet is maintained by the front desk employee in the night. The details of a key control sheet are given here. You see here, the different columns are given the room number, name of the guest, baggage position, bill amount, etc. And the last line, name of the guest stayed last, checkout date and time, bellboy, time of departure, and etc. So students, after that, sample key control sheet, it goes to the type of keys. In the hotels, mainly the three type of keys are used, that is your emergency keys and also known as grandmaster keys, master keys, and guest room keys. So mainly these three keys are used in the hotels. Then our last topic comes, that is the role of front office. A front desk professional is required to assume a variety of roles during a workday, chief among them being a gatekeeper, communication expert, phone whiz, troubleshooter, and receptionist. As a hotel first contact with the guest, vendors, visitors, and delivery people, the front office staff is the eye and ears of the organization. It is up to them to that the spot potential troublemakers, identify red flag behaviors, prevent breaches of the security, and act with the confidence and authority when situations threaten to get out of the hand. A security program would be more effective if all the hotel employees participate in the hotel's security efforts. The front office personnel play a vital role in the assisting the hotel's security personnel to carry out their task efficiently. The front office employees like door attendants, parking attendants, bellboys, and receptionists should observe all the people who are entering or leaving the hotel premises, and if they are notice any suspicious activity or circumstances, they should immediately report the same to the security personnel. So, thank you all of you. So, students, today's we discussed the meaning and importance of the safety and security in the hotel, and what are the different type of the security used in the hotels, the different physical aspects and the security regarding the staff and the guest, and different security used for the systems, and also learn about the different type of keys used in the front office and role of the front office in the safety and security of the guests and their premises. So we are ending up here this lecture, and we will meet again in the next lecture with the next topic of this syllabus. So thank you all of you for showing your concern in this topic. Thank you.